Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to arrange flower bouquet in Dress and Press Valentine's update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up my achievement from the Valentine's update, and as you can see here that we need to arrange 50 flower bouquets in free play. So first, you're going to go to the free play mode in Dress and Press and go outside of the building, and then you're going to head to the spawn and you're going to go to the right side and you will find the Florist Greenery. Just enter the Florist Greenery and start arranging the flower bouquet right here. And we're going to arrange the flower according to the order, just like this. And click on Done. And you need to repeat this step until the time is running out. Alright. And now it needs rose, and then orange wrap, pink ribbon, and kiss sticker. And then the pink flower, white wrap, red ribbon, and the sticker. Again, we need rose, and then orange wrap, white ribbon, and this kiss sticker. And again, rose, and then green, blue, and sticker. And purple, green, white, and then kiss sticker. Oops, my time is running out and I got 30 candy hearts. Okay guys, and that's how we can arrange flower bouquet in Dress and Press Valentine's update. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.